Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tharinya Jongko and Gawinpok Pathanakul. We are students at Padashini Trang School. Therefore, today I would like to talk to you about development of games to improve socialize skill for children with autism. The purpose of this talk to present the project method. This presentation should only take 5 minutes. So let me show you. In this part of my presentation, I would like to tell you about the problem. Currently, Thailand has developed education to cover more people with disabilities according to the Education Management for Persons with Disabilities Act 2008. There are various characteristics in development and expression. Most commonly found are people with behavioral expression disorder. Autistic children are children with development delay. In addition, people with autism has been shown with symptoms such as aggressive behavior, restlessness or lack of concentration, high-pitched screams, head banging, making children with autism unable to socialize normally. In a teaching and learning process, the most suitable teaching method for children with autism may be teaching by demonstration. For children with autism to see what needs to be done can be observed with real eyes and actually done, thus creating a greater understanding and remembering of that. However, demonstration teaching may not be able to develop children to the fullest extent they should. Therefore, the use of technology and communication, information and communication technology ICT, to integrate learning and teaching by game formats increase the efficiency of teaching and learning management. The development of play begins with touch and movement. Organizing play, functional play, pretend play, and nature of the game should be clearly. The project management team recognized the importance of these problems in children with autism. There is an idea to develop media in the form of games for children with autism to play games to bring their skills to play in daily life and socializing. It is presented in the form of the game that is appropriate. Overview. First, games are a way to teach children with autism to recognize household appliances and various tools that can be found in daily life. Second, players who play the game must press start the game, and the game's main page is divided into stages in the forms of different rooms in the house. Third, game players can complete each level only when all the objects assigned in the game are correctly selected. The objectives of this project are to develop a game to promote the evolutions of sociable skills in children with autism to interact with people more, and to facilitate teachers and increase teaching efficiency. This now leads us to my next point, literature review. Suni Pongpinit Pinyo, 2016, developed game development on mobile device for mathematics skills development in children with autism. The objective of this research is to assist children with autism to developing mathematical calculation skills through playing games. They can not only learn the value of money and calculate the money in the form of banknotes and coins, but also by a variety of items. The performance of game application is evaluated on the ability of the mathematical calculation knowledge. Test through buying items before and after children with autism play the application games. So much for literature review. Solution application. First, planning and designing the game's theme. Second, prepare the design game. Third, create background and model. Fourth, apply the code to control the model and game systems. Fifth, test the program.
This is the look of our game. As you can see, there are 3 different levels that represent the room of the house. Now, let's go to the level 1, living room. The object that need to be selected will show on above of the screen. And the left is the timer that tells the player the time that they use in the level. When select all the objects, the game complete panel will appear. As you can see, there are the star which based on how fast the player finish the level. Main menu button to go through the different level, and play again button to play the same level again. Now, let's turn to the next issue, analysis. Even though the game can slightly help autistic children with sociable skills and teacher efficiency of teaching, but the result still can reach the objective as well as it should due to this reason. 1. The duration plan is too short for autistic children to learn more about identifying and the name of the object. 2. The components to help autistic children improve social skills are still missing, such as picture and sound to attract their attention, and design of the game needs to be more interactive. From the reason above, we can relate to C-motion proposed by Samantha 2009 to improve our project to be more efficient in the future. Now, this is the end of video. Thank you for your attention.